Alright, Frank, got your project complete now. These outside rings look a little, now there it's looking a little red. They look a little orange unless I get them in the light of, see, that looks a little better. Get that blue overhead light of mine on there. Oh, I hear a race down the street. But all these are real smooth. There aren't any dead spots. And it's been a great project, man. You have absolutely the brightest 350Z gauges ever made, at least to my knowledge. I don't think anybody else is doing the red, green, blue by remote for 350Z but me. So anyway, I'll pack this stuff up, have all your other parts complete, and I'll post this for you, sir. All right then.